What is up, everybody? It's your boy Tito back at it again with a brand new video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your fog lights. Let's get straight to it. First things first, slap open that hood so it can cool off. I don't know if you can tell, these are turning a little yellow, so it's time to replace them, you know, show truck. And then for this, you can just pull this tab back, pop the light out. That's it. Right above the light, there's going to be two screws. You can see one right there where my finger is, and they are parallel with each other. If you really want, you can just rip your grill off. You can see there's a screw, or a bolt. There's a bolt there, and there should be a bolt there, but I guess it fell out. But, you know, it'll buff. The ratchet, this one's too big. That's what she said. Anyways, I got a smaller one. That's what she said. Ta-da! Then after you rip out that bolt, you just kind of fish it through or just break it. So I kind of just pushed the valence down and then it just slid right by it. I always get a hard time about swapping out my lights, but I mean, this just looks so much better. Why would you keep it clapped? And it's a cat eye, it's not like it's that expensive, you know, so just swap it out. I just leave the plastic on there. So what I did was I just pulled the valence down and it literally slides right up there and then it holds itself. And then I'm gonna wait. Then I'm gonna wait to swap out the lights at the end. I'm just gonna get it tightened real quick. Let's do it. And I know what you're probably thinking. Tristan, your headlights are getting yellow too. I know. I'm in the middle of trying to figure something out. I want to build a pair, but I don't know how. Got any opinions? Leave them in the comments. See what we can do. Whew. Gosh dang. That looks good. And boom, just like that, you are good to go. Don't be a dummy and adjust the height of it. Don't be blinding people or don't be having them pointing straight down. All it is the little screw at the bottom of the light. If you can't see that, you don't need to do this. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you so much for watching. I know it's a short one, but hey, it's content. And I just like to help people out with these trucks because I've had this truck for 8 years now and I know a little bit of everything about it. So if you have any questions, just hit me in the DMs on Instagram. Follow me at TWZ71. Again, I appreciate y'all's time. Have a blessed day. Peace.